All right, well, living a healthy lifestyle, an active lifestyle as we age can be a challenge for many in our community, but it doesn't have to be that way.
Yeah, that's right. So too many middle to senior aged adults spend their best years battling knee and joint pain, especially right here in Colorado because we're so active, which often requires expansive procedures and quick fixes. Now, Spruce Health Group provides personalized health care plans and a team that can really keep you healthy on a day-to-day basis. So in this sponsored segment, we want to welcome in two really special people, co-founder Andrew Allen and Jessica Holland. Welcome to Great Day, Colorado, y'all.
Hey.
What's going on?
Yeah, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. So let's talk about Spruce Health Group, who you guys are, when you started, and why folks should Google you, call you.
They should Google and call us. We are an integrated healthcare group that deals with people who have, joint pain, diabetic issues. Weight loss is another program that we have, and we are there to help them live their best healthy life.
Okay, good to know.
What do people come see you for? What's the driving force?
The main thing that people come for, as we started out, was joint pain, knee pain, and as we were, working through things, we expanded into the diabetic realm because we found that like 50% of our people were pre-diabetic or diabetic.
That many? Lots.
Yeah. It was an unbelievable number. And then, then we started to expand into a weight loss protocol, medical weight loss protocol that is, big out there now. And we'd started it about a year and a half ago, so that because all of these programs kind of tie together. Mm-hmm. And so if someone has osteoarthritis, what's the first thing I would recommend for them? You should lose weight, exercise, and eat better. Sure. So all of these things tie together.
Okay, so you guys create a plan for these people moving forward because everybody's different, right? So in my intro, I mentioned that you guys serve, is it middle to senior aged folks? What about, younger folks too who have joint pain? Do you serve everybody is, I guess, my question.
Yeah, our patients are, we call them our Spruce champions because they really are the champion of their own scenario and situation. We work with a lot of past athletes, even some past Denver Broncos. We work with a lot of moms, young moms, runners, bikers. Most of us in Denver metro area, Colorado, we're really active. So daily avid hikers, snowshoers, skiers. We work with everybody that really just wants to have a better, healthier life and doesn't want to deal with the chronic joint and knee pain.
Yeah, absolutely.
What makes you guys different from others?
Good question.
You know what? I think it's, we started this company and it was patient focused. That was what I'm a chiropractor, and it's all about the patient, treating everybody like an individual. When I'm with a patient, they're my only focus. And we've really tried to expand that. All of our providers have really, grabbed onto that, our PTs, our nurse practitioners. And I think that that's what makes us special. We take each individual person and we make a plan for them. They're different, you're different, she's different, and we're not all coming to the table with the same issues. Even though it might be, oh, my knee hurts or my shoulder hurts, how did you get there? And what was your journey, those kinds of things. And that's really more what we're about, is taking that individual and setting up a plan for them, being their guide.
Do you find that a lot of people come in and they're like, I've had this pain in my shoulder for 5, 6, 10 years, and they just haven't done anything about it because they didn't know there was an option out there besides surgery?
Well,
Yes, a lot of that.
Yeah.
And many a time you hear, well, I've never thought of this before, I didn't know anything about it, and you're my last resort.
Yeah.
Because I'm the last resort before you go to surgery. And we're trying to stop that. We
Switch
don't
the
want
thinking.
that. Exactly. There's a number of things that you can do before you reach surgery. We're not against surgery. If you need it, we're going to direct you to it. But let's try these other things. Let's try physical therapy. Let's try joint injections. Let's try platelet-rich plasma. Let's try tissue transplants. Let's try something else. Let's change your diet. Let's do things that are going to engage with you and have you buy into our program, and it brings you, into the program fully.
And back to life. Yeah.
So we actually heard from somebody that you've helped. So let's listen to what they have to say here.
When I started coming to Spruce, I initially wanted to come because I wanted them to do hyaluronic acid injections as well as the PRP. Everything that they've done, the results are amazing, and you feel it right away. Even the physical therapy, it goes without saying.
See, that's a really amazing thing. I love hearing firsthand from folks right there in our community. You heard it first. I mean, that's the reason why you should come in. So what we love about Great Day Colorado is that we have a special deal. And what we love about you guys is that you have a special deal for our viewers. Tell us about what you're offering.
Yes, so for the first 50 patients of March, we're about halfway through. We're still accepting a few here and there, which is why we were so excited to come share the offer. First 50 patients of March, after their first treatment for their knee care protocol, we're giving them a free 30-minute medical massage, as well as a free hour with our telehealth personal trainer that's actually going to give them a custom kickstart plan to weight loss right there on that call. So not only that, but they're going to understand the root cause of their pain because we're doing advanced imaging. What makes that different in this offer is that lots of places that do injections don't actually look at the injection site. And so it can be really, really painful, but we actually do that imaging. So you're gonna see the root cause, you're gonna get a customized wellness plan, and it's gonna be something that's long-term. So all three of those things just for this March.
Free.
Nice.
After your first treatment.
Yeah.
After your first treatment. Okay, we love that word here.
Well,
Thanks,
guys, all right.
Yeah,
Appreciate
we
you
really
coming in here
appreciate it.
today and with the offer. Here's some more information. So Spruce Health Group is dedicated to helping you live your best active lifestyle, and they have this special offer we've been talking about for the first 50 new patients. Patient appointments this month, you can receive a 60-minute massage, a personalized wellness plan, and a complimentary personal training consultation after your first treatment. To book your appointment today, you can learn more about their services and their team of experts. You can head to their website, sprucehealthgroup.com, and thank you to Spruce Health Group for sponsoring this segment.